What? It's me, Young B.
So what's up, guys? I'm here. Just got my quarter panel. Just arrived from Classic Industries. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks, and hopefully it's all good and not bent, twisted, and all these things. But obviously, welcome all you YouTubers. So we're here for another 57 Chevy Belair. I already took the top off. So usually I do first dates. I don't know if you guys heard that. So yeah, it comes real bubble pack. It comes in this big box. I did open it up because I ordered more stuff, some kind of carpets, floor mats, the rug, and they kind of packed it in here, which made everything more secure. You know, so obviously they wrapped it with this paper bubble wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and lay it in the floor and check it out. This is flipped on the I guess you could say inside. That's the part number right there. You guys want to pause that and check it out. Yeah, but it comes real, you know, packed real good. First glance right there. Quarter panel. So look at me being all quality inspector over here. And it does come with a protective coating. This right here. I already see it. You guys can see it. Sense it. So either they bend it too much, which that's what I needed. Well, they all don't come perfect. So first body work that's gonna have to be done is right there. That looks fun. That looks real fun. So that big dent right here that showed. I don't know how good you guys can. Right there. All right. Nice. Up and close. This is how I want to see other videos. I'm kidding. So this is my first step. What you seeing right now is raw. It's the first time that you looking at it, I'm looking at it, right? I'm not a body person. I'm just a car enthusiast. So you see, there's a little dimple right here. A little dimple like this. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna hit it from the bottom. Yes. Go up top. I think my choice of hammer is this. What you think? Let me know if I'm wrong, because I want to learn. I don't got time for school. I don't got time for all that. Beautiful things in life. See that dent right there is fine. I'll just fill it up. No. Wrong answer. You see? Too hard. I hit it too hard. It's fine though. Right? So I flat took a good most, but now I am my brain telling me to use this one. And this right here on the edge, because I want to take out the, I don't know how good you guys can see that or no. Right there, right where I want it, right? little harder. Alright, cool. But let's not focus there too much. Now, here. See that crease? See that crease right here? Alright, let's fix that. Let's bring that how they would have it, right? That's fine. The heavier one was the heavier one. This one. See the massaging I'm doing? Massaging I'm doing. Gonna help a lot with this. Yeah, I know I'm not gonna be using probably this, but I'm gonna be using this lower section up to here, you know, so I gotta make sure that it looks good now that it's kind of first formed, I guess, if that makes sense. Because when I cut it up, it's gonna be sloppy. It's gonna be all over. So that's what I kind of mean. So from the other side, I feel it. I know it's there, right? I know it's right there. Yo. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what. See what I'm hitting right there? That corner. See how good you guys can see this. I mean, I don't know if on video this shit, it looks beautiful. Because in real life, here in real life time, it needs a little bit more work, but I think it's gonna come out. So just don't focus on this section too much. Keep on flowing with everything else. So obviously, gloves aren't the best, you know, bare hands, but it's freaking cold right now. So right here, still feel weird right here. Like it don't flow. So right here, I'm gonna be hitting it. I'm hitting it here from the top. You know, I'm hit it from the top. So, see this radius here? It somewhat flows with the quarter panel. So I'm gonna go right where that edge I feel mostly the high point in the edge. Set that right there. I'm gonna go with a slippery one. All these things got names, man. I went down just slightly. Huh? Pretty good. If you keep going at it, I got it. Keep going. Don't stop, don't stop. Go back to this area right here. You go back to this area. Not as sharp. I mean, obviously I feel my little hammer things, but I'm like I did in the other quarter panel. I'm gonna be throwing some body filler all on this, right? So this is gonna be what filler is really supposed to be used for. Lightly, slight imperfections. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm gonna be using my bando for what it was made for. If I press, it looks like it keeps going this way. I cut a slit right there. It will open it up, which I want. But then again, that slightly going in is okay because of that. You know, it goes underneath the rocker panel. So I am pretty proud. Once I cut it up, chop it up, I'm definitely gonna be hitting it a little bit more.